Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create your Sendwave account. How to open your Sendwave account. The first thing I want you to do is open Sendwave once you have downloaded it from the Play Store or App Store. Come here, click on sign up. Of course, you can continue with Google or Apple. Just click on sign up. You need to enter your full name, your email address. You can choose your country code, enter your phone number, and you need to choose where you're sending to while you're doing the sending process. After that, you will be asked to do an identity verification. Okay? Put in your legal name, put in your legal gender as per your ID, and then you need to just select that right here and the primary reasons for transferring, and then you finish the process. And they'll verify you, okay? And they'll send you an email confirming that your account has been created. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.